this video, I'm going to answer a question I get all the time. Is affiliate marketing oversaturated? Is there just too many people doing it? Watch to the end of this video. It's not a long one. It's a short one. I want to make a few points about this because I think this is a very misunderstood question and topic. And I think a lot of people that ask it don't really know what they're asking. And I want to set the story straight. I want to make sure you know all the facts so that if you're starting off in affiliate marketing and you're kind of skeptical and you're looking around and this is popping up in your head, is there too many people doing it? Is it too oversaturated? I want to answer that question very clearly in this video. If it's your first time on this channel, I talk about anything and everything make money online, especially affiliate marketing, because I'm the infamous Joel and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Now let's go. I'm going to keep this one pretty short and sweet because I want to talk about this subject. I have a lot of newbies all the time come to me, and I've been doing this over 5 years at the time of this recording. Come to me all the time and say, isn't it oversaturated? I'm scrolling on TikTok, especially TikTok, right? Scrolling on TikTok, and it seems like every 25-year-old now is a millionaire, and they're all talking about affiliate marketing, and they're all making a crap ton of money, and it seems like, is it like some kind of a wave or a trend that I just missed the boat and it's too late for me to get into it? Should I get into it at all? Is it oversaturated? So let me answer that question by first. Step one to answering this question is to first make clear what affiliate marketing actually is. Affiliate marketing is not a specific kind of strategy or some kind of a trend or some make money online, I don't know, like crypto, for example. Crypto has like ebbs and flows, right? It works like the stock market. I'm not the crypto expert, I promise you. I don't know anything about crypto, but like Bitcoin and all the other stuff that you hear about and all the stuff that you can get into and invest in, generally speaking, I'm sure there's a lot of stuff to it that I don't understand, but it works like a stock. It jumps up, it jumps down. People get into it, people get out of it, right? Affiliate marketing is nothing like that whatsoever. Affiliate marketing is not like starting an Amazon store. Is it hot right now or is it not hot right now? Affiliate marketing is not even a product. Affiliate marketing is just a way for you to be compensated for helping another business get more business. So in its own nature, it cannot be oversaturated because as long as there are people shopping for literally anything, there are affiliate programs for jewelry, affiliate programs for sneakers, for travel, for saving money, for insurance programs, for God. Like, whatever you can think of, there is an affiliate program for it. Turtles. People that shop for turtles and buy turtle food online. There is an affiliate program for that. So because of that, it can't be oversaturated because there's not any one product that you're selling. You can literally sell whatever you want as an affiliate marketer. And there are affiliates in every single product in the industry you can possibly imagine. Some websites entire existence depend on affiliate marketing. Hotels.com, purely affiliate marketing. They don't own any of those hotels. They just help the hotels get more business and get more people to stay at the hotels, to which Hotels.com receives a commission. Priceline.com, same thing. EducationConnection.com. Everybody remembers the jingle from back in the day. EducationConnection.com is nothing but an affiliate marketing website. They don't own any colleges. They just get paid by colleges whenever EducationConnection.com sends that college a new student. Simple as that. So by its very nature, it can't be oversaturated. But I know where a lot of times this question comes from, and I want to address the elephant in the room. The question usually comes from the fact that if you're a beginner and you see all these other people doing it on TikTok and all these other platforms, you're thinking, well, if I just become another one of them and I start doing the same thing that they're doing, there's so many of them. How would I be able to compete with someone who's already making like 6 figures, 7 figures? It just seems like it's overcrowded. And I don't blame you. I get that. But here's the other thing. As a marketer, once you dive down that rabbit hole and really commit to getting better, because yes, affiliate marketing has a very low barrier to entry. That means that your grandma, that your dog, that someone who's dead in the dirt can get into it. Anybody can get into affiliate marketing. You can go right now on clickbank.com, grab an affiliate link, and technically you're an affiliate marketer now. But just like any other skill in the world. I don't care if it's the NBA or the NFL or any other skill on the planet, like becoming an actor or something like that. It's the top 1% who are really, really, really good at something who actually earn any real significant income. If you're a beginner affiliate marketer and you have zero skills whatsoever, you don't know copywriting, you don't know how to create videos and marketing messages and sales funnels and all this stuff, you have a long way to go before you can even think about competing with anybody else. And I get that, and you're right, because it is a lot of skills. Just like any other business, it takes a ton of skills to be actually really good at it. But that's a good thing, and I'm going to tell you why. In the last 5 years, I've been doing this affiliate marketing stuff. I've also started a mentorship and coaching program called the Affiliate Franchise, where we do 90% of the work for you. And most things are just done through software, and it's already a business in a box, ready to go. More about that in the link in the description. But in the last 5 years, I've seen so many people come and go. I would say about 90 to 95% of people who start an affiliate marketing business, and again, you can do this right now by going over to ClickBank and grabbing any old affiliate link for any old product. You're technically starting your affiliate marketing business. That does not mean in 2 months, 3 months, 6 months from now, you're not going to quit. Most people quit, okay? And that's kind of a good thing, because over time, the affiliate marketing thing kind of weeds out the people who are not committed to getting better. That's if you're doing it on your own, because it is a skill. And the top 1% of people who are making serious money, they stayed committed to it for at least 90 days, at least. So if you're going to start this thing, my best advice to give you is give yourself at least 90 days. And as far as the oversaturation, and there's so many people doing it, focus on the marketing skills, because even though there's so many people doing it, there are a lot of people doing it badly. Very bad. Just like there's a lot of people that play basketball, there's a lot of people that play football, there's a lot of people that get into acting and want to be in movies, but most of them, luckily, are really bad, right? They're not great. That's why not everybody wins an Oscar. Not everybody wins the NBA championship. Not everybody becomes the NFL MVP. Not everybody becomes the heavyweight boxing champion of the world. You have to be really committed to being the absolute best at it. Part of that is standing out from the crowd. One of the reasons that I gave myself the moniker the infamous Joel, and I'm very honest and I have no problem bashing gurus and stuff like that, and I tell my story about going to jail and about being a drug addict and an alcoholic in my past, one of the reasons that I do that is to separate myself from all the other marketers, from all the other noise that's going on out there in the marketplace. So it's very, very important that you latch onto, find your voice and your story, so that you don't have competition. There is no oversaturation. Right here in this little space that I carved out for myself, there's a lot of people that don't like me. I get negative comments on my stuff. If you go over to Facebook and my Facebook group, I get people messaging me telling me I'm an a-hole and all that stuff. And that's okay. I'm not representing them. I'm not for them. It's okay to have people not like you, because that means that you're carving out your niche. You're carving out your space and your personal brand. And that way you have no saturation problem. You have no, oh, there's so many people doing it, because you're the only you. And I want you to embrace you. If you're going to get into affiliate marketing, you're going to find your own voice. You're going to find your space. That's the only way that you get up to that top 1%. Okay, so that's how you kill the saturation problem, and I hope that set the story straight. Make sure you watch the rest of my videos on this channel here. I got free training for days on this channel, and subscribe. I'm the infamous Joel, and I'm out.